Number 1, we have xanthoderma. Xantho meaning yellow, derma meaning skin. Xanthoderma is any yellowish discoloration of the skin, for example, jaundice. Number 2, we have pseudodiabetes, pseudo meaning false, and then diabetes. Pseudodiabetes is a condition in association with which a false positive test result for sugar in the urine occurs. Number 3, we have granuloma. Granulo meaning granular, and then oma meaning tumor. Granuloma is a term applied to nodular inflammatory lesions, usually smaller granular, firm, persistent, and containing compactly grouped modified phagocytes. Number 4, we have hydrocephaly. Hydro meaning watery fluid, cephaly meaning cephalic. This is a usually congenital condition in which an abnormal accumulation of fluid in the cerebral ventricles causes enlargement of the skull and compression of the brain, destroying much of the neural tissue. Number 5, we have melanoderma. Melano meaning black or dark, derma meaning skin, and this is abnormally dark skin caused by increased deposits of melanin. Number 6, we have ichthyotoxism. Ichthy meaning dry or scaly, and toxism meaning poison, and this is poisoning caused by fish. Number 7, we have pathogen. Patho meaning disease, gen meaning to produce, and this pathogen is any disease-producing agent or microorganism. Number 8, we have bacilliform. Bacillus meaning rod, and forma meaning form. Bacilliform means rod-shaped. Number 9, we have pyrogenic. Pyro meaning fire, genic meaning producing. Pyrogenic means causing fever. Number 10, we have schistocytosis, and schisto meaning split, cytosis meaning cells, and this is an accumulation of schistocytes in the blood. Number 11, we have goniometer, which gonia meaning angle and metron meaning meter, and this is an instrument for measuring joint angles. Number 12, we have somnambulism. Somnus meaning sleep, and ambulo meaning to walk, and this is a disorder of sleep involving complex motor acts that occurs primarily during the first third of the night but not during REM sleep. Number 13, we have narcolepsy. Narco meaning sleep, lepsis meaning seizure, and this is recurrent and controllable brief episodes of sleep often associated with hallucinations just beforehand or afterward, or cataplexy or sleep paralysis. Number 14, we have hypertension. Hyper meaning high, tensio meaning tension, and this means high blood pressure. Number 15, we have hemiplegic. Hemi meaning half, and then plegic meaning paralysis, and this is relating to hemiplegia. Number 16, we have polyarteritis. Poly meaning multiple, arteritis meaning arteries, and this is simultaneous inflammation of a number of arteries. Number 17, we have Staphylococci, and this is Staphy meaning a group of bacteria in leucocci, and this is the plural of Staphylococcus. Number 18, we have brachyesophagus, brachy meaning short, and then esophagus, and so this means an abnormally short esophagus. Number 19 is exogenous. Exo meaning outside, genius meaning production. This is originating or produced outside of an organism. Number 20, we have intravenous. Intra meaning inside, venous meaning vein, so intravenous means within a vein or veins. 21, we have epicondyle. Condylus means a knuckle, so this is a projection from a long bone near the articular extremity above or upon the condyle. Number 22, we have anaphylactic. Ana meaning upwards, phylactic meaning serving to protect against disease. So this is relating to anaphylaxis, manifesting extremely great sensitivity to foreign protein or other material. 23 is disarticulation, dis meaning apart, and articulus meaning joint. So this is an amputation of a limb through a joint without cutting a bone. 24 is antepartum. Ante meaning before, partus meaning to bring forth. Antepartum means before labor or childbirth. Number 25, we have esophagectasia, which is esophagus, and ectasis means a stretching. So this is the dilation of the esophagus. Number 26, we have cholelithiasis, which col means bile and lithiasis means presence of stones. So this is the presence or formation of gallstones in the gallbladder or bile ducts. Number 27, we have cystocele. Cysto meaning bladder, keel meaning hernia. So this is herniation of the urinary bladder into the vagina. Number 28 is nephritis. Neph means a branch of medicine concerned with the kidneys, and itis means inflammation. So this means inflammation of the kidneys. Number 29, we have blepharoptosis. Blepharo means eyelid, and ptosis is a falling. So this is the drooping of the superior eyelid. Number 30, we have dyspepsia. Dys meaning bad, pepsia meaning digestion. So this is painful, difficult, or disturbed digestion, which may be accompanied by symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, heartburn, bloating, and stomach discomfort. Number 31, we have hemorrhage, which hema meaning blood and regemia meaning to burst forth. So this is an escape of blood from the intravascular space. Number 32, we have iatrogenic, iatro meaning, and then gen meaning producing. And this is denoting response to medical or surgical treatment, usually denotes unfavorable responses. Number 33, we have eupnoia. Eupnoia means well, and then in breath, so this is easy respiration. Number 34 is viviparous, vivi meaning alive, perio meaning to bear. So this is giving birth to living young, which develop within the maternal body. And then lastly, 35, anoxia, and meaning lacking, oxia meaning oxygen. So anoxia is the condition characterized by an absence of oxygen supply to an organ or tissue.